If you're experiencing crashing issues with Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Rocket League. Check the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause crashes. Open the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. Navigate to your library, right-click on Rocket League, and select the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for and repair any missing or corrupted files. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Sometimes high graphics settings can overwhelm your system. Launch Rocket League and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, disable VSync, and turn off any unnecessary features. Save the changes and try launching the game again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider reinstalling Rocket League. Uninstall the game from your system, then download and install it again from the game launcher. This can help eliminate any persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the crashing issues with Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.